Well, here it is, guys. I got the Xiaomi Mi 9 in hand, and let's go into it. What's up, guys? My name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use, and today we are talking about the Xiaomi Mi 9. Before we dive into it, I want to go ahead and thank everyone that supports me and uses my affiliate links and supports me in my Telegram group. Without you guys, I really couldn't make this channel happen. I'll have links for all that stuff in the description down below. If you want to join my Telegram group and leave me a message, tell me what type of questions you have about the Xiaomi Mi 9, or if you want to do that in the comment section down below. Enough talking, let's get in the video. Wow, okay, the Xiaomi Mi 9. I was not expecting to get this phone thanks to my girlfriend whose phone this might end up being. We have it in our possession now. This is the Chinese version. 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. It's running all Chinese firmware at the moment. I might use Poco Launcher or some of the debloater tools and see if I can debloat that. If I can, I will do a video about it. I'm definitely going to be doing a video about unlocking the bootloader because I plan on doing that. So if you want to see that, subscribe. But overall, just kind of the initial impressions of the device. When I went into my local Xiaomi store and I picked this up with my girlfriend about an hour and a half ago, she insisted on unboxing it, which is fine to me, and I'll insert some of that video here that I shot on my Poco F1 using Gcam. But when it came out of the box, the first kind of reaction to it was, wow. And really the reaction from her and myself was just kind of, wow. The presentation of the device in the kind of reflective packaging is really eye-catching. And then when you take the device out, it's got this kind of very hand-friendly feel. I don't know how to say it other than that. To quote my girlfriend, she said that it feels as good in your hand as most new iPhones do. And she's an iPhone person, but this might get her to switch. It feels just amazing in your hand. If I was going to go caseless for a phone, it might be this, just because it feels so nice in your hands. Thankfully, in the box, Xiaomi gives you this black TPU case, and I will be keeping it in here while I use it, since I'm not sure that I'm going to be holding on to it. I might sell it. It's got this great feeling in your hand. The curves of it are really nice. I gotta say, it feels really similar in regards to like the curve and in-hand feel as the Xiaomi Mi A2 that I had. Just kind of in regards to feeling really appealing, I guess you could say, in the hand. Compared to the Poco F1, it is substantially slimmer. And while the back kind of plastic of the Poco F1 doesn't really bother me, there's a weird kind of line that goes around the edge of the device, and it kind of breaks up that seamless in-hand feel that the Mi 9 has. Obviously, we have no headphone jack on here. They did give us a IR blaster, which is nice and kind of weird to have. The triple camera on this is amazing. I'm going to be going out tonight and doing a camera review compared to my Poco F1 with Google Night Cam. I'll try to install it on the Mi 9, but I'm not sure if that's going to work. But the just overall camera, we were in a food place, and I was able to get 3 pictures, one with the ultra wide, one with the normal, and one with the telephoto, and I'll put those up, and that was incredible. The most that I can say to really kind of sum up the just initial impressions of the Mi 9 is, wow. Wow. It feels amazing. It looks incredible. The glossy kind of mirror back looks really slick. It feels really premium. The screen around the edges, the bezel isn't super thin. And maybe one of the last things I want to touch on is the charging speed. I think it's maybe one of the biggest like wow features. I put this on a charge. It had 48% battery life. And in about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit less than that, it had gone from 46 or 46% up to 88% with the included charger. And that was mind-blowing. I don't have all of my apps loaded up here, but I think I'll just go ahead and give you guys a little rundown with the apps I have right now. And let's switch to that camera. Okay, guys, so the place that we're going to start with the Mi 8 II is right here on the lock screen, and that is the fingerprint scanner. Now, it's not the most accurate scanner I've ever used. It is pretty quick. I will say that the actual area to unlock it with your fingerprint is definitely smaller than maybe I'd like. I would love it if just this entire bottom area could be part of the fingerprint scanner, but unfortunately it is not. It does have the face unlock, and I'll show you guys how fast that is. So as you can see, the face unlock is really quite fast. It does have an IR blaster, so it is an infrared camera. I tried this out in the dark bathroom, and it was able to unlock it with my face totally fine. Obviously, this face unlock isn't the 3D facial recognition that Apple has, but it's still not bad. Similar to what we have in the Poco F1. As you guys can see here, we have stock MIUI, and unfortunately, we do not have Google Assistant yet. We are stuck with the Xiaomi Assistant for right now. I am going to be unlocking the bootloader, and I'm going to be loading the Xiaomi EU ROM as soon as that is available, or at least a global one. Obviously, this is dependent on my connection here, which isn't bad. And as you can see, going in and out is just absolutely flawless. Just really, really, really quick. Let's go ahead and check out Spotify. Obviously, Spotify is very, very dependent on your internet connection. Let's download some stuff. Let's go check out a playlist. Boom. Here we go. Let's check out the speaker. Toto's Africa. Let's hope I don't get copyright stricken. Let's see. I mean, it's loud, guys. It's okay. Let's compare that real quick to the Pocophone. Let's. Yeah, so the speakerphone of the Xiaomi Mi 9 is definitely quicker than that of the Poco F1. And let's just go into the camera real quick and show you guys the responsiveness of the camera. So portrait mode on here is a beast. And it is super quick, the 2x optical zoom. Let's see, let's do a close-up of the Mi AirDots. And wow, guys, tons of detail, just tons of detail. I wouldn't say this room is super well lit, but let's go check out the night mode. We can do night mode with the 1x and the 2x optical zoom. We got night mode. Can we do video with the wide angle? So we do. We have video in ultra wide angle. This is really, really a shame, and I'm probably going to have to end up using some type of side load to get 4K 60, but we only have 4K 30 here on the Mi 9. That's kind of disappointing, to be honest. So far, battery life on it has been quite good. We do have the dual GPS for GPS data, and we have some other stuff here, and we're going to jump into all that a little bit later of a video. But I just wanted to show you guys how quick and smooth a lot of this was, the performance of it, give you guys some of my initial impressions. Really, really an impressive device. And let's take it back over to sitting down. As you guys saw, the device runs absolutely fluid, totally smooth. Right now, my biggest complaint with the device is simply that I don't have a different ROM on it. I'm definitely going to put on the Poco launcher just because I prefer that to the stock MIUI launcher, but it still feels very Xiaomi-esque. And I am going to go off right now and do a camera comparison for you guys. So this is Mitchell coming to you guys from Hanoi, Vietnam. Subscribe for more Xiaomi Mi 9 videos. Until next time, peace.